Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Pandas, which is a very popular Python package or library that is used in data science to manipulate data and also analyze them using data structure, which is called data frame. So let's see. Pandas. You see, this is Pandas PyData.org's package and fast, powerful, flexible, easy to use open source data analysis and manipulation tool built on top of Python programming language. So this is a really good package and almost every Python programmer has to, like in data science, everybody has to use it. Okay, so let's get started. As long as you're using Python as your programming language for data manipulation and analysis, Panda is a must-have package. So we're going to install it. To install it, the only requirement is you need to have Python. If you're using any other Python flavor, that could be, so there are many editors and flavors Python. This is very classical Python that you get from python.org. So I've installed Python 3.12.4 and I've installed few packages that you can list with this command pip list, and this will show you I've got NumPy, Django and Django's dependency and pip itself. Okay, so to install pandas, all you have to do, simply say pip install pandas, okay, and hit enter. This is going to install panda on your system, and then you can start using it. The other way around is it's a good practice. You should basically create a virtual environment and put install packages in that virtual environment. But as long as you are a data scientist or data analyst, you can simply use it because you don't have to deploy your environment like dev environment on a production server or something like that. So it's okay to do install and then start using it. So it's going to install these packages you can see, and these were successfully installed. Pandas 2.2.2, Python util posts page 6. Okay, so now if I go ahead and say pip list, you can see you've got pandas and few more things. Okay, so let's quickly see if we can run something from pandas. Okay, so I'm going to create a file. Okay, I do not have anything, so let me quickly see if I can get some example code. So here you can see user guide. You can go to getting started. Okay, so we have something here. How this is how you can read data, but in many cases you'll read data from different sources. It could be CSV file, etc., etc. So we just want to make sure that it is working. Working with text data, let's see. So this is the user guide. You can go to getting started, and this is Conda pip install pandas, and then enter to pandas. You can see data frame. This is a data structure that you get with panda. This is really good start, and this is panda supports integration with many file formats. Okay, so read to from these. Okay, these are HTML, CSV, XML. So that's really good stuff. uh, Selecting and filtering specific rows and columns that you can do with panda. Panda provides plotting your data out of the box using the power of matplotlib. So you can use matplotlib and panda together, and there is no need to loop over your rows of data table eh, to do a calculation. That's great. Basic statistics, okay, mean, max, median, count, etc. So these are statistical functions that come with this pandas library, which is really good. Multiple tables coming from what is panda has great support for time series extension of serif tools working with dates, times, and time index data. Data set of not only contain numeric data, Panda provides a wide range of functions to clean textual data, extract useful information from it. Okay, so that's really good stuff. Let's see what we have here. So you can simply go ahead and start uh, using Panda. So simply you first need to do this one, okay? So we just need to import pandas first of all, okay, and obviously you can write instead of just copying pasting. I'm going to save it on my desktop. So pdf.py, and now we can start using pandas. Okay, so just few things. Panda data table representation. This is data frame. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, let's see, I'm going to copy it, and let's see, to save our time, and we do not need this one. I will quickly explain. These are just, also you do not need these dots. So let's see what else we need to clean up. This is very basic of data science. You need to clean up your data. Now you can simply go ahead and run it. So what it's doing is basically df is a variable that uses pd, which is pandas, and inbuilt data structure, which is data frame, and we have a multi-dimensional sort of array. Okay, and we are just trying to print it. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to say go to desktop, and then go to Python and PDS. Nothing works. The reason it did not print, that was in uh, idle sort of Python idle sort of IDE. So we need to make sure we are using this terminal. What do you call it? Python script. Now you see everything. This is name, age, sex, and this is index. So That's how this is just the beginning of pandas. If you have used NumPy, then it's going to be very easy. And with math, you can also use different libraries to just sort of give it a graph or just make it visually appealing. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.